What do you do? Hey, howdy doody. What do you do when you have a yard and a garden? It just doesn't end, man. It doesn't end. Probably looks like crap. The gardens look like crap. And we need to clean this up. We really do. We need to get this area so the yard, but really more the gardens, look more maintained. Because right now they don't. They look terrible. So what are you going to do? I don't know. I think the kid and I really should clean these up. I know we need to run up the road and get some mulch. And add some mulch and get the property look a little pretty. That's a lot of work, everybody. What I just showed you right there, that's a lot of work to get this all cleaned up. Oof, yikes. Can we do it? Can the Iceman Ice Drill pull it off? I don't know. You gotta get really motivated to do this stuff, everybody. Yeehaw! Do I do it or do I don't? I don't know. We'll see.